In this video, I'm going to show you how to add OneDrive to File Explorer step by step so you can quickly access your cloud files right from the left sidebar in Windows. This is a simple setup, but it can save you a lot of time if you use OneDrive for work, school, or personal storage. By the end, you'll know what to do if OneDrive appears automatically and what to try if it doesn't. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy Windows guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure Microsoft OneDrive is installed on your computer. If it isn't installed yet, go ahead and download it from Microsoft and complete the installation before moving on. Once OneDrive is installed, open the Start menu and type OneDrive into the search bar. When the OneDrive app appears, open it. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. This is the account that will connect your cloud storage to your PC. If you're using OneDrive for work or school, make sure you sign in with the correct account so everything syncs properly. After signing in, follow the setup prompts and choose your OneDrive folder location. You can usually leave it at the default location unless you specifically want to store it somewhere else. Once setup is complete, open File Explorer. In many cases, OneDrive will now show up automatically in the left sidebar. That's the fastest and easiest result, and it means the connection worked correctly. From there, you can click OneDrive anytime to browse your synced files, folders, and cloud content without opening the full app again. If OneDrive does not appear in File Explorer right away, don't worry. There's a quick fix you can try. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then paste this command exactly as shown, %local app data, %/Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive.exe space/reset. After that, press Enter. This reset command can help restart OneDrive's connection and refresh the integration with File Explorer. After you run it, wait about 2 minutes before opening OneDrive again from the Start menu. Give it a little time to rebuild the connection and reappear in File Explorer. Then check the left sidebar again to see if OneDrive is now visible. If it's still missing after that, the final step is to restart your PC. A full restart often fixes any remaining syncing or Explorer integration issues and helps Windows load OneDrive properly. After the restart, open File Explorer one more time and check the sidebar. In most cases, OneDrive should now be there and ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to add OneDrive to File Explorer, how to sign in and complete setup, and what to do if it doesn't show up at first. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips, and share it with someone who uses OneDrive on Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.